Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for multiple words on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to help you narrow down your search results effectively. To begin, navigate to the Twitter homepage and locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter any keyword or phrase you wish to search for and hit enter. Once you're on the primary results page displaying popular tweets, look to the left side and click on Show next to the Search Filters menu. Then select the Advanced Search option that appears. In the Advanced Search section, find the Words section. Here, you can utilize the All of these words bar to input the specific words you want to include in your search. After entering your desired words, don't forget to click the button at the bottom of the page to apply the search filters and refine your results accordingly. By following these steps, you can enhance your Twitter search experience on PC by searching for multiple words simultaneously. Tailor your search results to find tweets that match your specific criteria and interest effortlessly. Start exploring Twitter with a more focused search approach today by utilizing these simple yet powerful search features on your PC. Unlock the ability to search for multiple words efficiently and discover relevant content that aligns with your preferences.